This is the dream. Golden sourdough focaccia, crispy edges, an airy crumb, juicy tomatoes, wonderful olives. But say sourdough, and suddenly you are committing to a 3-day relationship. Feed me, watch me, wait for me. It's basically a pet that you eat. Who has the time for that? Today I'll show you how to make the juiciest, fluffiest focaccia with cherry tomatoes and olives in 1 day. Normally focaccia takes forever because people say gluten molecules need to develop slowly. Sounds scientific, but let's be honest. Your gluten isn't meditating. It's just waiting for you to get on with it. We're doing it faster and better. The secret? 3 things. The right flour combo, a tomato trick that feels like culinary cheating, and a tiny tool that's basically Brett's private security camera. So here's what you'll need. 400 grams of Manitoba flour, 100 grams of rye flour. Rye flour wakes up your starter like a double espresso, and just like me after coffee, it gets unpredictable, which is perfect for speed. 200 grams of sourdough starter, 375 grams of water, 15 grams of salt, 15 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, and by the way, if you don't have a sourdough starter, you can use one of the substitutes you see on screen. First, water, starter, salt, olive oil. Give it a mix. Then the flour. Mix again. No kneading at this point. We let the dough knead itself. It's called fermentolysis. Translation, I'm going to do absolutely nothing for 30 minutes and somehow take credit for it. Let's prep toppings. Cut your cherry tomatoes in half. Use a serrated knife. Trust me, your fingers will thank you. So, half them, salt them, and smash them gently with your hands. The juice? That's liquid gold. We're going to baste the focaccia with it later, so it tastes like summer punch you in the mouth. Add fresh basil and mix everything. Our dough's rested. Time to stretch and fold. Inside the bowl, because cleaning countertops is a scam. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now meet my dough spy. Take a piece of the dough and put it in a glass jar. Mark the level. Why? Because timing recipes online is like trusting strangers on dating apps. Your flour, your starter, your room temperature, all different. The spy tells you when it's ready. When it grows 50 to 75%, boom, bulk fermentation is done. No more timers, no more guesswork. You follow the dough. Place both the bowl and the spy in a cozy spot, like your oven with the light on. Over the next hour, we're going to do 2 more sets of these stretch and folds, 30 minutes apart. Dough spy says we're ready. Grease your tray with olive oil like you're trying to bribe it. Lay out the dough gently. Cover it and let it rise again. Now for the crown jewels. Tomatoes skin side up. Olives. Drizzle that tomato juice. Oregano. And then add more olive oil. And now the iconic focaccia massage. Press your fingers in, but don't go Hulk on it. We need those air bubbles. Seriously though, this part is therapeutic. Like free therapy, but tastier. Into the oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. First bottom rack, 15 minutes for a crispy base. Then middle rack for 5 to 10 minutes for a golden top. Oh my dough. Look at that crumb. Juicy, airy, crunchy on the outside, pillow on the inside, tomatoes melted into jam, olives punching through with saltiness. And there it is. Golden, crisp, airy. Take that, bread snobs. And if you tried this, tag me. I want to see your focaccia win the internet. Like, subscribe, and remember, bread doesn't have to be complicated to be great. See you in the next one. Ciao.